Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. So this is Rohit and today I'm going to show you how to create custom address field under Salesforce. Before that, we don't have any options to create our custom field under Salesforce administrator, because address is a combination of different types of things like city, state and other things, country. Okay, so how to create that one? So this is a Summer'22 latest things. So let me open my notes, and first of all you can see here, like until Summer'22 we don't have way to create composite address field in Salesforce. For same we have to create multiple fields for address related information like country, state, city, state and postal code. So address can be combined these kind of fields under this address, we can say that custom field, right? So how to deliver custom address field in Salesforce? So there are so many settings under the Salesforce, so I will show you one by one. So please watch this video until end. Without this video you cannot enable these things, I hope. So you can watch until end, and let's get started without any further delay. And please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates like this. And here you can select follow below step to enable to custom field in Salesforce. So first of all you can see, go to the setup and search for the user interface. So you have to go first of all setup, and under the setup you have to search user interface. After that you can see like select user interface and then click on the user custom address field beta and click on this save button. So once you create this one, it's a automatic enable your custom field under the data type in Salesforce. So how to do that with practically? Let's get started with this practical part. So here let me log in my Salesforce org first of all. Now you can see I successfully logged in Salesforce environment, and you can see, and now you can see this is the latest Summer'22 org. And now you can see here with the help of logo you can recognize. Okay, once you enable these things and all the settings under the Salesforce, you will be get this custom field. Without this setting you cannot get, right? So it's taking some time, so let me open this Salesforce org properly, and then you will be see how to do that these things. So here you can see this Salesforce environment. Just you have to click on this gear icon and click on this setup, and after that you will be see the setup home page here, and just you have to search under quick find that is called user interface, and come down, and here you can see the option here. Let me highlight this user interface here, and just you have to click on this user interface here. So just click on this user interface first of all, and once you click on this user interface you will be see different kind of options. So don't worry about all the settings here, just focus on this topic that is called custom address field. So come down. Now you can see here I already enable this setting. In your case you will not get this checkbox in your org or maybe in your case. So first of all you have to enable this one. Once you enable this one, you never disable this that is called you use custom address field beta. So you cannot be disable these things, right? Once you enable. So this is the setting. First of all you have to enable this one. So I already enable here, you can see, but how to check this one, it's enable or not, right? So first of all you have to click on this object manager, and if you have like standard object or custom object, so it's working fine for all the objects, not like custom or standard objects, right? So first of all you have to search. I already created one custom object that is called employee. Now you can see my custom object employee. Just click on this one and click on this field and relationship options under the object manager, right? This one, field and relationship, and here you can see field and relationship. I already created one custom address field, but let me create another field same like this one, and you will be see this address field under the data type. So just click on this new, and here you can see like data type, right? If you want to create our custom field, so you can see different types of data type, right, in Salesforce, you know very well. But here in the last, just focus on that. This is the new field here, right? This is the new field that is called address. So address, before summer 22 you will not get this address, right? But right now you will be see this address options. So just you have to check this radio button and click on this next button, and once you click on this next button, you have to fill this field label and description, help text based on your requirement, otherwise leave it as it is. So let me do that, like demo custom address, something like that. Okay, in your case you can give any name as you, because you are free, right? So here demo custom address, here you can see if you give any description or help text you can give, otherwise leave it as it is. So just click on this next here, and now once you click on the next, just click on this again, that is called next button, and click on this save button. No need worry about every time you have to add this field under the custom page layout, no need worry about, because it's automatic added, because by default one page layout is there, you know very well. If you don't know, you can watch my administrator video and you can get all the information and more information about the page layout, right? So here I just created this demo custom address, but how can get this UI? So just in the app launcher, just click on this app launcher and search like employee. I already created one tab for the employees, so here you can see the employees, and this tab having the custom object that is called employee __ C, right? So how to check that custom address here? So just you have to click on this new button, and once you click on this new button here, now you will be see my demo custom address, right? I just created before few seconds before, right? Now here you can see the country code, state, city, and state code and postal code. So only one field can have all the information based on your need. So let's say for now I'm choosing India here in this drop down country code pick list, right? So let's say India. So let me select this India here. Once you select this one, it's a automatic showing state code here. Let's say this one, you can see like Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Chandigarh and Delhi based on your need. Let's say Delhi, I want to select this one. You can change it as well, because there are so many settings there under custom field, custom address field, okay, and you can fill all the information and just save it. So this is all about like custom address field under the Salesforce. This is the new features, and I hope you learn something new in this video. If you like this is the new for us, so please subscribe, share and comments, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt for more updates. So till then, bye bye, take care, see ya.